All right, welcome to the radio show, and today we are talking about emotional feelings. If you're going through some emotional feelings right now, well, you come to the right show because I'm going to make you feel all right. Now tell me in the comments below, what emotional traumas are you going through? Because I could talk you out of anything. Yeah, I'm smooth like that. Can you hear me? Hello guys, welcome to another time out with me on Alec GTV. My name is Alec Godwin, and today I'm unboxing a very lovely item. I'm excited about this product, and it's what you will use for live stream or for podcast. It is a microphone, but it's not just a microphone, it's a condenser mic. I think, yeah, these are things I intend to dive into. Of course, I'm already doing live stream podcasting in the future, but hey, the product is already here, so we're gonna check it out and have a clear review how it works. And so I take my seat now. I'll go rough today. Hopefully, won't be needing this. All right. I always tell people, what is the essence of unboxing on camera? It is reasons I want, so you have a proof if something goes missing on your product. That's number one. Number two, viewers of you guys can get to see what items comes with it, and you get to see it firsthand, because some years it may be different. Items may differ, in different years. That way you know what year, what version this is, if that's the one you want. Yep. This is the puff windshield, how do they call it? To protect the speed bumps, or wind bumps, or bumps from the lips when speaking. This, of course, is a rock shock mount, whatever name I miss right, say wrongly, I'll write out the actual name on here, but this is supposed to hold your microphone in here. And these are clamps for the microphone. Flexi amp. Let's go ahead and get the Flexi amp out. Okay. So we have it on site. I think I'll get it in frame. Number two, put this right here. And then let's take out the Flexi amp, which I'm very interested in. I hope this is feels good enough and strong enough. I hope this can. Well, it's alright, but I thought it would be a lot rigid. It looks kind of firm and lightweight. I thought it would be heavy, but no, it looks solid. Right there, you have a manual for the microphone, and we have connecting cords. It's 4:30, it's 5:30 a.m. and I still haven't slept. So excuse me if I am grumpy. Anyway, I'm still fine, I'm still up. I'll be going to bed in a minute, but I just wanted to get this guy out of the way so I can come and test it by morning when I do wake up. Let me just let you see what this is. We already seen the cord. This is the cord. I get it out. Let me make sure everything is out on the open. Okay, if I call it a day or a night. Let's open this guy up now. Try to get it up. Gotcha. All right, so that's the clamp. So I guess this stays in here. Somehow, somewhere, I'll figure it out. But this will clamp this to the table, and then this is supposed to move. It's supposed to be adjusted with the microphone. You get what I mean? No, I'm not drunk. I'm just sleepy. Let's flip the screen and get to the other side. All right, welcome back. Is there a shadow here? We're going ahead to get this guy. I'm hoping this will be the position of the microphone. Or do I put it from out here? How about that? And then it's like this. Maybe we should try that. All right, so we have a firm grip there. And we'll get this guy in this way, stick it down. Now we can pull this guy towards me, and heavy. Well, I guess it can carry it. So now let's put this guy in and down like this. So I believe we are all set up. Just so you know, you may have to tweak some settings on your computer. If it's a Mac or a PC, you go to on Mac system preference, you get the audio. There's an internal audio that you need to turn off, and then you turn that off, and then you identify this mic, which is the Q9, USB Q9, and you click it, then you put this level control. It will show its own level bar. When it appeared as high. You know, you want to bring it down to the mid-range. All right, then there's output level there you might want to. So that's pretty straightforward. And now I can see on my screen the meters reading, like my voice level on this mic. All right, welcome back. We're about to proceed with the testing of this mic, the Tonor Q9 USB plug and play microphone, and that's what we're doing today. And this is the third day in a row where we're checking this bad guy out, and today we are going to be playing back the sound for real. All right, I had to get this computer out of the way because it was having issues, and switch to this one so we can actually hear the sound. It's a really affordable microphone, and it comes with all this glamorous and serious looking arm, and we're talking about 59 bucks. I mean, under 60 bucks you get this, you know, but sound first. So let's check it out. We're gonna grab our audio now. Check 1 2, check 1 2. I see we are live and our audio is recording right now. So we're gonna run the tests. Now I'm gonna switch from this one to this one. And in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hello, you're listening to me on my radio show. Oh, sorry, it's gonna be a podcast show. Radio podcast, which is it? I want both. Alright, so we're testing the Tonor Q9 microphone. Put this on. Remember, this is on. This is one protection, and this is another. So there shouldn't be any. Shouldn't be. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna bust for you at the end of this video. I'm gonna bust some rhymes. Hopefully, I can still do that. You know, but yeah, I used to rap. I still rap. I write lyrics. I write rap songs for rap artists. Even singers. I do write songs. I'm a songwriter. That's what I think I am. At least I've been able to do some hit songs. So, but I'm gonna do a rap song today just to be able to test the microphone. All right. So let's take out one layer off and see how the sound goes. So let's take this guy off. Testing 1 2. My name is Alec G, and I'm the CEO of the Alex Music Company. Alright? Okay, you're welcome to another time out with me on Alec G TV. My name is Alec Godwin, and I'm testing today the microphone Tonor Q9. It's a Q9. It's a Q9 USB plug and play microphone, and it comes with all this fancy. If you get this product for just under 60 bucks, you can look like your favorite YouTubers. All right, they're all having an arm on their channel. So, yep. If you like this sound, you better jump in and grab yours for your channel. If you need one for your audio and you're gonna be streaming through your computers and stuff like that, or even if you're gonna be recording live straight to your camera, you could connect this. I don't know how you do that, but yeah, you could pass it on to your editing software, get your audio laid down. It's your call, but you conveniently use this for all your live streamings. And I'm saying too much for just this aspect of the testing, so we'll take this one off and see how the raw microphone sounds. Hello there once again. My name is Alec G, and I am the CEO of the Alex Music Company. I have no much to say. I keep repeating the same fact, but that's the truth. All right? And I'll tell you some point and some time about my history as CEO of Alex Entertainment, and you get to know a little bit of what I used to do and what I still want to do in the future. And hopefully we'll see why the bumpers was unnecessary. Maybe it will not be necessary right now, but I can't hear myself, by the way, you know that. So it's going straight into the sound, and like I said, we are testing the sound without no layers. We have removed 2 layers from the microphone. Now it is raw, and we see how the sound checks. And people, back is to the highest degree. I hope the back not bumping too much. If it's bumping, then you know you need this. But you know what? You're not buying it separately. This all comes with it for $60 or $59.99, I think. It comes, and right now there's a promotion. I think you get some percentage off. So if you get it now, you're in. You know you got a good product regardless, because this arm alone, it is lovely. Then this mic, if it works good, we're good with that. All these are props that you could do with or without them. So these are the 2. In fact, this is the most important of them all. Forget the fancy. You can actually put this on any stand on your regular microphone. These are all props. All right, but I really like this. So all right. Now, what have I done? I have removed this one. We tested this and this, but for now, and I did this. Now we're doing just this one, which should be, I don't think you should be using both the same time, which I did anyway. Let's check this one. I go back to my introduction now. Introduction. My name is Alec G, and I'm the CEO of the Alex Music Company. I've said that a couple of times before, but I don't know why you keep asking, who am I? I'm the man down bigger. Damn sugar. Oh, I know that damn sugar. Oh, Miami Beanie Man. Apologies to your son. So this should be enough to test what we have going on right here. All right, welcome to the radio show, and today we are talking about emotional feelings. If you're going through some emotional feelings right now, well, you come to the right show, because I'm going to make you feel all right. Now tell me in the comments below, what emotional traumas are you going through? Because I could talk you out of anything. Yeah, I'm smooth like that. Can you hear me? All right. Hope I don't get into trouble. My name is Alec G, and I'm the CEO of the Alex Music Company. I'm the man. But I'll save it for the end part, when I actually get to listen to the best presentation, and I'll work with the one that's best, and I'll give you my rap flows, and I'll tell you. So I'm going to cut the video now and listen to the sounds that are already recorded, and we'll see which one sounds better. It should be this, though. Should be this, but that's for you to decide. Now I'm gonna take this off. Hopefully this is the best of them all. And now we're back to my Sennheiser lavalier, which is my main audio for my channel. All right, yeah, you heard the sound, and we kind of can compare it with this one. We all know that USB microphones don't do good, but I just listened to this one. I am satisfied with the quality from the computer. It was clean. I'm quite impressed. I did not think, I could not imagine, because this is not a phantom power one. This is a podcast microphone, a YouTube online streaming microphone. It's a microphone for like a TV host, radio shows and stuff like that, you know, pointed at the interviewer or the interviewee, you know, stuff like that. That's what this microphone is for. They usually are not so powerful, so they try to take the sound right in front of them, and this is doing that just good. But I think I'll do one more test, which is to switch it around and see if really it's not picking sound from around. Okay. All right, new audio recording. All right, sound check. I see the sound. It is getting my audio, but how clear is it getting it? Let's find out. So here's your front. Got it. So that's your front. There will be a blue light right here when it's turned on. Okay. I guess that settled it for this microphone. I would highly recommend this microphone, and yeah, I'm going to sort it out and see how I can stream with this one every time I go live. So keep watching. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to this channel. Click the like button if you did learn something. Click it even if you didn't learn something and you just happen to be nice. Comment. Let's know what you think about this sound. Do you think it is good? Do you think it's something you want to get? Do you think the price is right at $60, $59.99? I think. Is it something you need? Yeah, but don't forget, all the links will be in the description below. This microphone and everything we use, the cameras, everything we use in the studios, there's a lot of stuff. It's all come along when we share the links, but this one will be first on the link. So if you're going for this one, you grab it. But the cameras, my M50 cameras, whatever I use and I've been using, and the light, they all will be in the description. You could go ahead and ask any question like, what did you use for this? What's the lighting? What's, you know, whatever, you know, your curiosity is at, let me know and I'll have your question answered. Okay, this is good. All right, thank you for watching. Once again, if you did subscribe on this channel just now, if you're new here and you already subscribed, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys, thank you. I gotta go. Oh, all right, I appreciate you too. I appreciate, but I gotta go now. See you guys in the next video. Thank you guys, thank you. Oh my God, yeah. Bye. You know how we do.